You're watching DDS TV. When the dealer already approved your car for trade-in, but you got 1 day left with it. Judging by all that bondo, that isn't their first rodeo.
Hey, red light!
Well, would you look at that? Running a red saved her absolutely 0 seconds. This is why you don't drink and drive, folks. It seems like the driver was patiently waiting for the worst place in the road to crash.
Electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude.
Vegas, where people get 7 DUIs and still aren't in jail. No doubt another drunk making that turn in front of someone. It looks like the white car is deliberately trying to push the other car into the barrier. My question is there a left side exit coming up, or did this schmuck get over without speeding up, all just for the joy of blocking the passing lane? That idiot should not be driving a vehicle. The way they finally get on the road and then proceed to turn right absolutely killed me.
20 in 1978. Jane lived in her own apartment and worked a burger chef full-time.
Remember, this is a wide-angle dash cam, so it looks like he was much further than he actually was.
Guided by the firm's trusted consigliere, she hilariously defies everyone's expectations, including her own, as the new head of the family business. Alfie Mama, Willy and Pierce, April 14. By now.
The camera caught these two vehicles and one ended up hitting the other. The avalanche took off, and in the last 5 seconds the camera caught up and got the license plate and called 911. What a close shave. Cut them some slack. They're late for their own funeral. That driver's messaging is clearly more important than anything else. The driver did admit fault, however. to point out though that the Darwin Award can only be awarded to those who have not yet reproduced. If these idiots have children before their demise, they have successfully passed on their genes and thus are ineligible for the award.
Tell your smart device to play us on iHeartRadio.
What's the thing?
He's looking here something, and for this you want Lithium, please.
Alright, that's fine.
The driver nearly cuts off the camera and in the process hits another car. He then flees, earning himself hit and run charges. A handyman that can't drive. Go figure.
For a long time, no one said anything. Bee noticed belatedly that everyone was gaping at her. Sister Gazaden's mouth closed. Finally, she looked past Bee to a buck-toothed 12-year-old who raised her hand.
Yes, Hannah? Please, sister.
I accidentally did this once. I think my brain thought I was at a four-way stop, and I realized as soon as I was accelerating and felt like an idiot for a bit. Unfortunate that the SUV driver didn't look before proceeding. That light was very red for the sedan.
This guy standing there on the sidewalk next to my car, and I should say also, he's not like old or sick or anything like that.
I don't understand why people don't stop on the white line. It's there for a reason. On top of that, the driver gave a camera a death glare.
You missed a lot of, like, famous, iconic scenes. Okay, what about the scenes when the lesbians kiss?
I did not know that this was a thing.
You didn't know about the famous lesbian kiss between Sarah
think it
Michelle
might have
Gellar?
invented the MTV Movie Award for Best
think
Kiss.
you did.
I think they created
really?
the award.
The SUV driver making the U-turn cut the silver sedan off and didn't use the turn signal at any point during the maneuver.
The next few months, I won't see much, but I'll damn sure.
This here is why I refuse to drive anywhere near the rear end of a truck with a hint of stuff in the bed of the vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usa-cams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.